So 5 plus 2 times 10 minus 3 gives us 7. So 2 times, or 2 open brackets, 7 times 4 minus 2 gives us 2. So 7 times 2 gives us 14. So 5 plus 2 times 14 is 28. And 5 plus 28 gives us 33. So do you think that's the right answer? If you say yes, it is not true. So that's absolutely not the right answer, because you made a crucial mistake in the order of operations. But let's see how it works in correctly. So try to pause the video and solve it if you can. In this type of operations, in which we have several operands, multiplications, divisions, brackets, parentheses, you name it, we should follow a convention, a rule, which is an acronym. It's very easy and beautiful. It is called PEMDAS. So it's very easy to remember. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And this is a vector. This is like an arrow. Here we have the highest priority or precedence, and here we have the lowest priority or precedence. So according to this rule, parentheses have the highest priority of them all. And then if there is any exponents, you should resolve and evaluate the exponents. Then multiplication and division, they have the same priority and precedence. So one more time, they have the same priority. It means first come, first served. You should go from left to right. So whatever you see at first, do that at first. So, and then we have addition and subtraction, go from left to right. So now let's revisit our problem. But some students would say, okay, teacher, you said parentheses at first, but here we have brackets, right? Because the question says 5 plus 2, open bracket, 10 minus 3, open parentheses, 4 minus 2, close parentheses, close bracket. So in PEMDAS, there is no bracket or brackets, but there is. P is just a symbol. So P, it means parentheses, but it also includes all the grouping operators like brackets, like curly brackets, and parentheses. And this is a good example of nested brackets. So whenever you have brackets or parentheses inside brackets or inside curly braces, go from inside to outside. For example, in this case, do this at first, then this, then the whole thing, from innermost to the outermost. So with this in mind, let's revisit our problem. So here we have a bracket and a parenthesis inside a bracket. We should do the parentheses at first. So let's write it again. 5 plus 2, open bracket, 10 minus 3. So students said 10 minus 3 would be 7, but no, because it is not a bracket. If it was a bracket, yes, that would be possible, but not now. So 3 times 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Then close the brackets. Now we have just one bracket. We should resolve this again. So 5 plus 2. Inside the bracket, what do we have? We have a multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. Do that at first. So 3 times 2 gives us 6, right? And then 10 minus 6 gives us 4. So 5 plus 2, and then inside bracket, the whole thing became 4, right? So 10 minus 3 times 2 was 6. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Now we have 5 plus 2 times 4. So multiplication and addition. Multiplication has a higher priority than addition. You should do that at first. So 5 plus 2 times 4 is 8, and 5 plus 8 is 13. And that's the final answer. So did you get it correctly, or did you fall for this nasty, nested PEMDAS trap? So as your homework, so what would the answer be if we had 5 plus 2 inside the bracket? So I want you to think about it and write it down in the comment sections below. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Thank you.